This is a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer. I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear